Efficient, precise, and intelligent. That's the CHLB horizontal Premade bag zipper pouch packaging machine. Whether it's liquid products such as sauces, juices, laundry detergents, or granular products such as coffee beans and rice grains, we can provide the perfect packaging solution to make your production more efficient and your packaging more beautiful. Our horizontal bag feeder adopts 6-station fully automatic packaging process, covering bag picking, bag opening, filling, arranging, sealing, and output, realizing highly efficient and intelligent automated packaging, and also supporting various bag types such as 4-side seal bag, zipper bag, folded bag, shaped bag, and corner mouth bag, etc., which can satisfy the needs of different products. The machine is equipped with PLC control system with clear interface and easy operation. With just a few touches on the screen, you can easily adjust the machine parameters to quickly adapt to different products and packaging needs. The machine is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel, which is not only durable but also easy to clean, ensuring that the production meets the hygienic standards, making your products safer and more reliable. Depending on your packaging needs, our machines can be paired with a variety of metering systems, such as multi-head scales that can accurately weigh granular products, while liquid pumps can accurately fill sauces, juices, and laundry detergents, and Andre fillers are used for powdered products to ensure that every bag of product is accurate. We understand that every customer has different needs. Recently, we have customized a solution for one of our customers by designing a low-height machine for their limited plant space, which ensures stable and efficient operation of the machine, even in the limited space. CHLB horizontal bag feeder is widely used in food, beverage, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and other industries, and is trusted by customers all over the world. We not only provide high-quality equipment, but also provide perfect after-sales service to help your enterprise improve production efficiency. Choose CHLB for efficient, precise, and intelligent packaging solutions. Feel free to contact us for more information.